Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're actually going to handle or deal with the beaded headpiece. So these are some of the materials I used. So with the beaded headpiece that I made in the previous video, I actually used these pearls. These are the pearls I actually used. Yes, and I used the bigger crystals. So these are some of the crystals I also used. So these are the crystals that I use. See how it's sparkling. And also I use the smaller crystals. So this is also how it looks like with the smaller crystals. So these are the glass crystals I actually also used here. And I also used the copper wire. So it was 0.3 size. The size was 0.3 is super extra malleable, so you can decide where you would expect it to go. So you would just, and I also used the copper wire, the golden one. The earlier one was a silver one, so this is actually the golden one that I also work with. So there are other colors that are also available in the market. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. I actually used the silver one since there was a bride. It was for a bride and the gown was white. So if it had been an engagement, I would have also worked with the gold one. Either one works perfectly. It actually depends on what you want. So this is where I'm using the copper wire to actually pick the pearls that I'm actually going to work with. So yes, these are the pearls I'm working with. I actually made sure I found it, I pushed it into a bit far from the tip. It was a bit far from the tip where I could actually twist copper wire, the very extra malleable copper wire. So this is actually me twisting it to get the desired length that I want, or I would love it to be in. So this is actually yes, this is how it looks like when you twist it. So I'm sure you can actually see it. Yes. So I'm also actually adding a crystal, so with a bigger crystal. So which I also make sure I put it in the middle so I could get my desired length. So after that, I actually made sure it was at the center where I actually wanted it to be. Like what you see in this video. Yes. So this is actually how it looks like. And then I twisted it till my desired length. So when I reach my desired length, I pull it a bit closer to the pearls. And I also twisted the two together. So this is actually how I actually went about it. All of it. So this is actually the size I actually used, 0.3. Yes. So this is actually me using the pearls and then the crystals to combine and come out with something that would be very nice and very cool for the bride to actually use. So this is actually how I went about it. So twist the two together. So this is actually how I go about it. Put my finger in the middle and then I twist it to make it extra tighter. Any way that you think you can actually work with it to make it extra tighter, you are good to go with that. It's actually all about you. This is one I actually use pearls and then the crystals. I combine them and then try to come up with something. So this is basically that's it. So stay tuned and enjoy. Please, if you have any comment, any question, you can ask in the comment below and I'll reply you. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much. Stay safe. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your hands. Please don't forget to wash your hands and use your mask. It is very necessary. So please don't forget. Yes. Now it's all about twisting. So this is a final project. This is a final product. Thank you all so very much for tuning in.